Hey guys, it's Chelsea and welcome back to my channel. So today I'm doing another vlog and today I've got graduation on, so I'm graduating high school, which is crazy, like, don't understand. And then I've got my fridge to fridge, which is basically, if you don't know what fridge to fridge is, it's basically where you go house to house and get up. So that's basically what fridge to fridge is. So it's currently like it's currently like 8ish. And I have to be there at 9, so I'm just gonna do my makeup on camera and talk to you guys about like today and what's gonna happen. Yeah, so on 2 days ago it was my last day of high school. If you haven't seen that vlog, I'll leave it in the cards up here. And then today is like the actual graduation, like getting the certificate, I'm guessing. I don't even know what you do at graduation. I don't know how much of actual graduation I'm gonna put in the vlog just because I don't think it's as exciting to watch. I'll put like little bits, but I don't think it's going to be that entertaining for you guys. But fridge to fridge will be the main part of this vlog just because I feel like, you know, that's the fun part of the day. Hey guys, so I'm all ready now, so I'm just gonna go head to school and then I'll see you guys while I'm at graduation probably. So we're getting ready to dance, everyone. So this is going to be the last time dancing together and ever.
CRAZYYY, contribution to the performing arts.
So guys, we just graduated. I literally just finished the dance and I had 2 people to get dressed, but we made it.
Chelsea, stop
Chelsea.
and then Mr. White just starts going.
Hey guys, so I'm ready for fridge to fridge. I've literally been in such a rush, so I haven't vlogged anything, but the theme's flower power, and that was my outfit. So yeah, we're all just getting a little bit tipsy before we leave, but we don't have that much time. Like, we're literally in such a rush. The house has already started like an hour ago, the first house, and we're late. Nothing new, my group is always late to everything. But yeah, so basically we're just gonna start pre-drinking and whatnot, and I'll see you guys at the first house. We're ready, fridge to fridge 2018! So guys, we're on our way to first house. It's hopefully gonna be fun.
Oi, put me in the vlog! On the vlog? Fuck yeah!
Allie. Get it, boys! Sorry. Look at my highlights. You ready? Well, one more cup. Oh, it's glowing. My nose is glowing.
Nice,
Thank you. Yeah, wait, what the f was that?
jump me. I've got a jacket on. Come help me. Are you guys doing it?
Is that good?
Yeah, that was really good. Look at how close we get.
Gonna be a disaster, I can tell.
I don't know whose they are.
Yeah,
but
they
funny.
look really, really cute. For the next house?
Yeah! Woo! On the way to the next stop.
Guys, it smells like marijuana.
Oh,
That's
shit.
what I said. It
Gross.
smells like weed and I hate it.
It fucking
Am I
smells
famous now?
amazing in here.
Can't relate.
This shit is fucking beautiful. It's like Jesus Christ is fucking like, it's like stealing
Mom.
an apple from the tree from Jesus.
Like this? The bush track. Yeah, perfect.
Yeah, that way.
We're carrying our scooters because we can't ride down here. Guys, we're out of the bush track and we're so close and we thought it was so much further than it was.
I need to pee so bad.
Oh my god.
Second house! I got it. I'm peeing. It's House Rockers fan. This is like cheese.
So mid fridge to fridge, we're at Macca's. Should I get a cheeseburger nuggets?
Cheeseburger. Jono, what do you want?
Cookies.
Starships are meant to fly. Hands up and touch the sky.
unpredictable, but in the end it's right. I hope you had the time of your life. It's something unpredictable, but in the end is right. I hope you had the time of your life.